Welcome to Yes Channel. Would you like an apple? Yes, please. Would you like a tomato? No, thanks. Would you like some water? Yes, please. Would you like a lemon? No, thanks. Would you like some pasta? Yes, please. Would you like an orange? Yes, please. Would you like a burger? No, thanks. Would you like some salad? No, thanks. Would you like an onion? No, thanks. Would you like some fries? Yes, please. Would you like a chili pepper? No, thanks. Would you like some chicken? Yes, please. Would you like an egg? No, thanks. Would you like some bananas? No, thanks. Would you like an omelette? No, thanks. Would you like some sandwiches? Yes, please. Would you like a chicken leg? No, thanks. Would you like some apple pie? Yes, please. Would you like a red onion? No, thanks. Would you like some fruit? Yes, please. Would you like some orange juice? Yes, please. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.